Hello everyone, welcome to Lady Grace Food Channel. Today I will make chicken Piallard with creamy Parmesan salad. And I have here 2 pieces of chicken breast. I cut into half already. And now I'm using the plastic board. And I put the plastic wrap already. Now we need to pound off the chicken, our chicken breast. And now we will put a plastic wrap on top. And these are the ingredients. I have here 4 pieces of chicken breast. I cut it already into 4. I have here 2 eggs, all-purpose flour, and breadcrumbs. Now I'll put salt to the eggs, into the all-purpose flour, into my breadcrumbs. And now we'll put a little bit of milk to our eggs. Mix, mix, mix. First, we'll put our chicken breast in the all-purpose flour. And shake off the excess flour. Next, wash. And back to the all-purpose flour. And last to the breadcrumbs. And now we will put our chicken to our ring baking sheet. Next, with the same process, all-purpose flour first. Shake off the excess flour. Then to the egg whites, to the egg wash. Back to the all-purpose flour. And last to the breadcrumbs. Now I need to wash my hand. Now we will cook our chicken. Put a little bit of oil in a pan. Now we will put our chicken. We will cook for 2 minutes on each side. Now we will flip it over. Now our chicken is ready. We put the next batch. Now we will flip it over. Now our chicken is ready. Now we will make our salad. I have here 1 pack of cherry tomatoes, lettuce, 1 cup of corn, fresh mozzarella, and fresh parsley. Now we will cut our cherry tomatoes. Next, we will cut our lettuce. Last, we will cut our parsley. Next, we'll cut our fresh mozzarella. Now I want to add some of the fresh mozzarella balls here. Now we will assemble our salad. Fresh mozzarella. Next, lettuce. Next, cherry tomatoes. Corn. Now we will make our creamy parmesan dressing. I have here half cup of mayo. Now we will put 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, I have here 1 clove garlic. I have here garlic crusher. Pepper. Mix, mix, mix. And now I have my creamy parmesan dressing. Now we will put our creamy parmesan dressing to our salad. Toast everything to combine. And our salad is ready. Now I want to put my creamy parmesan dressing on my chicken. Want to add parsley. Our chicken Piallard with creamy parmesan salad is ready. Now it's time for the taste test for our chicken Piallard with the creamy parmesan dressing. Want to taste the chicken? Guys, the taste from our creamy parmesan dressing is really delicious. And our chicken Piallard is soft. It's crispy from the outside and soft inside. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that you will be updated on our next following video. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Thank you guys. Bye. You want the chicken? Down na down.